Would you want to make six figures in 2025? Here are 5 businesses you can start today that can earn you 6 figures in 2025. Number 1, being a virtual assistant. First, become a virtual assistant, and most businesses today are looking for people who help them in social media management, like email management and scheduling. Most entrepreneurs start as solopreneurs, and at this stage of their life, they need help, they need support. So imagine if you charge $500 per client and you have 10 clients a month, you're gonna hit 6 figures in 2025. Start on LinkedIn and platforms like Upwork to find clients. Number 2, creating digital products. I've paid over $70 per ebook just to create an ebook. Think about ebooks, think about online courses, solve those problems, sell on places like Gumroad or on Teachable. If your prices are between $50 to $500 and you're selling to 1,000 people, you're going to get your business to 6 figures in 2025. Number 3, launch a niche e-commerce store. Focus on specific products like sustainable pet supplies or custom gifts. With Shopify, and if you run a few ads, you can scale up your business to $10,000 monthly. I know someone who does this even on Amazon, and they make close to $6,000 to $7,000 monthly. If you're able to scale up your business, you're going to hit 6 figures naturally. Number 4, coaching and consulting. You're good at something. If you're an expert at something like fitness or even using social media or even personal finance, you can create a coaching program. Charge maybe $2,000 to $3,000 per client and serve 3 to 4 clients a month. Guess what? You're going to hit 6 figures if you do this consistently. Number 5, content creation. We live in a world where everybody is creating content and everything is a content. So if you have a content creation agency, you can help people and businesses with video editing, graphic design, and social media management. Most people pay up to $1,000 to $2,000 a month for retainership for people who manages their social media. And imagine you charging between $2,000 to $5,000 and you have 5 to 10 clients a month and you're crushing it, you're delivering your services. I'm telling you, you're going to hit 6 figures in less than 1 year. So I've given you 5 side hustles or 5 businesses you can consider. Which of these excites you the most? Comment and tag someone who needs this. Follow me for more wealth creation tips.